eastern king snake. I usually don't like to pick up snakes, but this one was going to get away from me. So I had to get a little bit of footage of him. What a beautiful snake. Wow. Once she calms down, I should be able to hold her pretty good. The eastern king. What a beautiful snake. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful snake. She's blind in one eye. Her right eye is missing. What a story this snake probably has. What a beautiful find. They usually don't bite. You really gotta get them to bite you. Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. Here is our next snake species, the eastern king snake. This is the nominate subspecies. It's uncertain exactly how many subspecies there are. Many subspecies have been elevated to species level, so the information can be conflicting at times. Their main prey is other snakes, including venomous snakes, such as copperheads and rattlesnakes. It's developed a clever hunting technique where it clamps down on the snake's jaws. Even if bitten, they are immune to the venom. They also prey on amphibians, eggs, lizards, and small mammals. Unfortunately, they were introduced to the Canary Islands, and they have a massive population there now. I try not to handle wildlife, but sometimes I will briefly handle them so I can get a closer look at them. My mission on Lifers is to share the tree of life with you, one species and subspecies at a time. Thank you all for your support, and see you next time on Lifers. Let's take some time out of our busy lives to appreciate this beautiful snake species.